HME International Headquarters is located in Singapore with the distribution and fulfillment center located in Daytona Beach, Florida. HME is a conglomerate of manufacturers who are located in multiple countries and joined forces to supply the remote patient monitoring industry. We do not sell directly to the market. We are strictly an OEM supplier and seeking companies or people who function as distributors or resellers to the remote patient monitoring market. To help facilitate the business, HME stocks large quantities of products in a USA fulfillment center in plain white boxes and offers personalized wrappers and shipping boxes with the client's identity. This process enables a low-cost solution to private labeling. If you're new to the remote patient monitoring market, you may be wondering, how big is this market? As of today, there are millions of people who qualify for RPM through Medicare and would benefit from being monitored from home. It is supported by the hospitals, doctors, and patients. The most common question is, what will RPM cost Medicare and can they afford it? The service will cost Medicare billions. However, it will save Medicare far more than it cost. The doctors and/or hospitals are paid by Medicare to implement the service with their patients on a monthly rental basis for an average of $120 per month. There are two components that make up RPM. The technical component that consists of the home monitoring equipment to obtain the user's vitals with the capability to transmit the vitals through the internet to a HIPAA-compliant health cloud that has artificial intelligence built in. And the clinical component that requires the help of registered nurses to view the user's data collected in the cloud and discuss the data with the user by phone, then document the outcome each month for the doctor and the patient's files. HME International Associates has spent millions of dollars and a decade of time in the creation of the equipment and the software platform to complete the technical portion of the RPM requirement. To complete the clinical RPM requirement, HME contracted with Nurse on Demand located in the USA and trained them on our software and home monitoring equipment. The turnkey package can be utilized in its entirety or separately. The equipment can be purchased in bulk from Asia by container or at any quantity from the fulfillment center under your company's name. The software platform and cell phone application can be included in its entirety or fragments can be embedded into a pre-existing platform. The monitoring equipment can be purchased as a standalone Bluetooth with the use of a cell phone, or the cellular gateway can be added that enables all the Bluetooth products to transmit without the use of a cell phone. The selection of products stored in USA for just-in-time delivery are diabetic supplies that include a Bluetooth monitor that transmits to the internet through a personal cell phone or through our standalone cellular gateway, blood pressure monitor, weight scale, vital smartwatch that collects data continuously, ECG monitor that is FDA approved and can transmit via the cell phone or gateway, thermometer, pill dispenser that notifies the user and caregiver if medication protocols are not followed. Will also transmit via cell phone or gateway, pulse oximeter. What HME is wanting are more doctors. It is not certain the exact amount of doctors who are involved with RPM today. However, it is a very small percentage of the 779,000 that will participate in some capacity in the next few years. The average amount of net profit generated per month per patient is $10 per month of recurring revenue. The average amount of income per practice for the reseller is $30,000. Most doctors who sign up through HME resellers prefer to contract out both services, the technical and clinical. Their average profit without any out-of-pocket expenses is $60 per month per patient, or $180,000 additional income per year without any additional office workload. The average income for primary physicians in 2020 was $234,000. Adding an additional $180,000 without the additional workload is literally doubling their income and giving the patients better care at lower cost. HME International has the equipment, the software platform, and the qualified staff to present the software and support the doctor and the patient. We're seeking entrepreneurs who are connected in the medical community or has the ambition to get connected. If you're this person, we will either assist you or employ you. The next video showcases our popular rental program and then followed by an electronic webinar showcasing the software platform and phone application.